There's no way they created this without me knowing. There's no way they created this without me knowing, man. The smallest gaming PC ever. Here we got the GTR 6 Series Mini PC, man. Gaming PC at that. That's crazy to me, man. We're gonna do a real quick unboxing, man. I'm gonna let you guys know the specification of this particular gaming PC right here, man. I will do a more in-depth review, like the games, playing games and stuff like that, average frame rates, how well it holds up, on my other channel at MoreBTwice or MoreBTwice, man. Be sure to go check me out over there, man. Sub up if you guys want to look forward to seeing this particular PC, you know what I'm saying, gaming wise. All right, man, with that being said, we just gonna go ahead and do a real quick unboxing, man. Like this PC, it got the AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX processor, so we going crazy over there. We got the memory, 32 gigabytes, more than enough. That's the same thing I got in my gaming PC down there on the floor. For storage, we got 500 gigabytes, more than enough than what we particularly need. And we got network, we got the Wi-Fi 6, we got LAN, you know what I'm saying, for the Ethernet cable, and we also got the adapter for the plugging into the wall, man. So with that being said, man, let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy and hop straight into it. Like I said, man, this is a gaming PC, the smallest PC I ever seen possible. I didn't even know they made these right here, which is crazy. But let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open, man. Gotta peel this plastic off here. I need a knife or something. I need a knife. I don't have. Can we use our keys? I don't recommend y'all doing this at the house. All right, here we go. GTR 6. Let's see how you can. I guess you can slide this out. All right. Like I said, man, this right here has the AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX processor, man, with the graphics card. I forgot to mention, it is the 680M Radeon, man. And I did my research. They said that this particular graphics card on this particular build right here is equivalent to a 3060, man, a GTX 3060, man. So that's pretty dope, man. And also, they also mentioned on actually in the video's website that this particular graphics card, the performance holds up just as good as like a dual GPU performance, man. So they say it even outperforms that at times, man. So I was like, wow, that's crazy. But right here, man, we got the manual right here, man. As you guys see, man, we got the GTR 6, man, Series Mini PC. We're not gonna read that. We just gonna hop straight into it. I believe this is like a sticker or something. No, it's not a sticker. Cardboard right here. Introduced with a warning. Can I get this out? Ugh. Oh, here we go. Man, this is it. Wow, this is fire right here, man. You guys go, man, a closer look at it real quick before we actually take the wrapper off. Let's go ahead and do that now as we speak. So yeah, man, we got the mini gaming PC, man. I will be playing a whole bunch of different titles on this, man. Like I said, on my gaming channel, I really want to call it a gaming channel. I'll be playing it on my other channel, man, MoreBTwice. We're gonna be doing a whole bunch of different reviews and stuff like that over there as well, man. Testing this bad boy out, man. I'm super stoked and excited, man, because this can like replace my actual gaming PC, my work PC over there, man. Like with the mid tower, this is crazy with this form factor, man. This thing is punching a strong punch, man. With all the specs that it has, man. With the Ryzen 9 CPU, pretty much a GTX RTX 3060. I can't even take the plastic off. What's going on, man? I got this thing. All right. Here we go, man. Here we go. All right, here's a closer look at the GTR 6 series, man. Mini gaming PC. Pretty dope, man. Small form factor. I actually like this. They got some type of, I don't know, like carpet felt material on the top, which is actually fire, man. On the front here, you do got your power button. A couple of You got slots, so you got your USB. I believe that's 3.0. USB Type C cable and a headphone jack as well. Got your stickers here, man. You know, we got that Ryzen 9 in there, man. Got that Ryzen 9, man. That's about here. This boy right here gonna get the job done. That's all that matters. All right, in the back, we got our LAN ports. A whole bunch of HDMI cables, man. So we will be able to set up multiple monitors, man, which is key here, man. This is a fire right here, dog. Not even gonna lie to you now. If I'm not mistaken, I believe this does retail a little over, I want to say $900. Sometimes they do have sales. They got a variety of different versions of this particular mini gaming PC. But this one right here caught my eye, man, with that Ryzen 9. You know what I mean? That's a big dog graphics card right there. Not graphics card, but CPU, man. So, yeah, at the bottom, you know what I mean? Yeah, you got your grips right there at the bottom. And that's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it. What else do we got in the box here? Let's see. This looks like some type of cover. Okay. So we got a red cover here. If we want to switch it up, that's fire. I might have to put this red on, man. Red my favorite color. Y'all already know that. Y'all should know that. If y'all don't already know that, red my favorite color. You know what I'm saying? We got some more accessories here. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Got some more accessories in here. I'm going to go ahead and pull this tab here. And this is pretty much all the cables. A lot of cables. So it comes with a HDMI cable here. Here we got another mini HDMI cable. Couple of screws. So, and some mounts right here. So you can mount this on the back of your monitor if you would like to. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm just going to have it sitting on my desk. Here we got our AC power brick. Right here. You know what I'm saying? Small form factor, man. This is what I love about it, man. Small form factor, man. You cannot go wrong with this. You cannot. And that's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it. That's all what's inside the box. So like I said, we got the brackets here, couple of screws. If you guys want to mount this on the back of your monitor or your TV, our power adapter, our power brick right here. And it does come with two HDMI cables here. Now this particular small one, like I say, if you mount it onto the back of your monitor, you won't have to use this super long one. You can just use the mini one here. So that's cool that they did implement that or include that inside the box, I should say. So yeah, man, with that being said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and hook this bad boy up. Like I said, if y'all guys want to see a more in-depth review on this particular gaming PC right here, man, the GTX is it GTX? I'm tripping. Yeah, no, GTR 6 mini gaming PC, man. Like I said, go ahead, sub up to my channel, man. Be twice. Be sure to check me out over there. We're gonna be gaming over there, playing Call of Duty. What else? A whole bunch of other different games, man. Fortnite, all the dope games over there, man. Just testing the games out, just to seeing how this mini PC holds up. Can it actually replace my daily PC, man? My daily PC is I got a 1070 Ti in there, so it's already stronger than my gaming PC. You know what I'm saying? I got a 1070 Ti. I got a Ryzen 5 2600X for my processor. It's already topping it, man. So if it's already smaller and it's already topping it, it gotta replace it, right? We're gonna find out, man. Like I said, man, if you guys enjoyed the video, man, be sure to drop a like on the video, man. Very much helps out with the channel, man. Appreciate y'all for supporting the channel as well, man. We got a whole bunch of different other videos coming as well. PlayStation is dropping that new controller. We already got it pre-order, just waiting for it to come in, man. I will be doing an unboxing on that and a more in-depth review on the More Be Twice channel, man. So be sure to check me out, sub up over there, man. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, man. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button like I mentioned earlier, man. Be sure to check out one of the videos at the end of the stream, because it's definitely a banger. I wouldn't miss it if I was you, man.